I must go now. I must go now. I must wake up early. I must wake up early. I must study hard. I must study hard. I must call my friend. I must call my friend. I must eat breakfast. I must eat breakfast. I must finish my work. I must finish my work. I must take a shower. I must take a shower. I must clean my room. I must clean my room. I must practice English. I must practice English. I must read this book. I must read this book. I must listen carefully. I must listen carefully. I must do my best. I must do my best. I must be on time. I must be on time. I must go to bed early. I must go to bed early. I must respect others. I must respect others. I must be kind. I must be kind. I must wait patiently. I must wait patiently. I must work hard. I must work hard. You must write neatly. You must write neatly. I must say thank you. I must say thank you. I must say sorry. I must say sorry. I must take care of my health. I must take care of my health. I must be careful. I must be careful. I must not be late. I must not be late. I must keep quiet. I must keep quiet. I must save money. I must save money. I must speak politely. I must speak politely. I must share my things. I must share my things. I must tell the truth. I must tell the truth. I must be honest. I must be honest. I must love my family. I must love my family. I must respect my parents. I must respect my parents. I must greet my elders. I must greet my elders. I must take rest. I must take rest. I must not forget this. I must not forget this. I must do my chores. I must do my chores. I must keep my promise. I must keep my promise. I must stay strong. I must stay strong. I must eat vegetables. I must eat vegetables. I must do exercise. I must do exercise. We must protect nature. We must protect nature. I must ask questions. I must ask questions. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which video you guys would like to see next. Until next time.